Every day, millions struggle to get rid of stubborn belly fat, that deep, hidden visceral fat that clings around your organs. But now, scientists are stunned by a discovery so simple it's changing how we think about fat loss. A recent study revealed that one tiny daily habit can actually switch on your body's natural fat-burning engine, melting visceral fat faster than any diet or workout routine. And the best part? It doesn't involve starving, supplements, or endless hours in the gym. Researchers found that people who practiced this habit consistently had up to 20% less visceral fat in just a few weeks. What's the secret? Walking, but not just any walking. A 20 to 30-minute brisk walk right after meals. This simple post-meal movement stabilizes blood sugar, prevents fat storage, and triggers your metabolism to keep burning calories long after you stop. It's the easiest, most natural way to tell your body to use fat as fuel instead of storing it. Combined with good hydration, quality sleep, and less processed sugar, this one change becomes a fat-burning powerhouse. So next time you eat, don't sit down. Take that walk. Science says it might just be the easiest way to melt belly fat fast.